Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to temporarily take your website offline for redesign, maintenance, privacy or testing, GoDaddy Website Builder lets you unpublish your sites cleanly in 2026. The key is understanding what unpublishing actually does and what it doesn't. Most confusion comes from mixing up unpublish versus delete, so we will clear that up. In this step-by-step guide, I will show you how to unpublish your GoDaddy Website Builder site in 2026 like a pro. So first thing, open your website dashboard. Okay, so log in to GoDaddy, go to website, select your website. Okay, so do not open the editor yet. From your website dashboard, click settings. Okay, look for the site settings or website settings. The unpublish option lives here, not in the page of editing. Okay, so inside sites settings, find publish status. So click unpublish sites, confirm the action. That's it. GoDaddy may ask for a confirmation. Accept it. So after unpublishing, open your site URL in incognito or private window, or different browser. You will see a GoDaddy holding page or a site not available message. This confirms the site is unpublished. Okay, so what happens after you unpublish? Here is exactly what changes. Site is hidden from the public. Google won't show new content. Visitors can't access pages. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.